I've had this dehumidifier for years, and today it's actually given up the ghost. Started making a horrendous screeching noise. I think the motor shot it. Anyway, two things have happened since. So number one, I'm looking through this little catalogue, the brochure for what's on sale from tomorrow, and there's a Silent Night dehumidifier here, £49.99, costs 2p an hour to run, and it's got all the features that we actually need. I'll just move that so you can actually see it because of the light. It's got washable filter, indicator light, water tank volumes 2 litre, coverage areas 20 square metres, power consumption 40 watts, daily working capacity 750ml with a low noise level of 42 decibels. So not only that, but on the spin the wheel that you get every time you visit Lidl at the moment, I've just won a £10 voucher off my next shop, over £10. So I'm going in the morning at 8 o'clock, get one of these, £49.99 with £10 off. And put that one into recycling. Every day's a bonus. So I picked up the new one, and there's the old one. Very similar, perfect. Every day's a bonus. So I've had this dehumidifier on for 10 hours in the bedroom. Look how much water is in there. Would you believe it? So, is this worth having? Absolutely. Every day's a bonus.